Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Carol about this letter portrait tutorial if we can make it with two letters. So now let's try it. So let's go to Canva. I will use YouTube channel size and then go to apps, type text, enter, choose text maker, choose long. I will type here HT for example. I will change the font to Archivo Black and then go to 3D, choose the angle. I will move it here like this and then close it. Go to depth 1. I will click this minus button and then I will go to the angle again. I will reduce it like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Now I will change it to this red, but I will keep it black. Okay, now go back and I will change the color of this letter. So scroll down and customize color. Click this fill color, remove the gray. Okay, so it remained the white colors. Now let's add to design and add to design. Go to element. I will add a square in yellow color, this yellow I mean, and increase the size. And then send it to back. Now download this page as PNG. Okay, I will add a new page and upload the PNG of page 1 here. I will change the background to other color and select this PNG and choose BG remover. Okay, now it became a frame. I will increase the size to fit the page. And then I will upload a photo of a truck, for example, this one, and then remove the background. I will increase the size. I will reduce the size and place it here. Okay, now let's add a background. I will choose this one. Increase the size and then send it to back. I will increase the size of the image and move it like this. Okay, now go to position, layers, select the frame, go to edit, choose shadow, choose outline, change the size to 3, enter, change the color to white, and then crop the frame so the white color, the white line is disappear. And then crop the background. And then send the truck backward behind the frame and then crop it like this. So this one, okay. Now change the color of the background of the page to yellow and then download it as PNG, page 2 only. Now let's add a new page and then click this color button. Click here. Click once again. Click gradient and then click this circular. I will change this yellow to green like this, light green, and then click duplicate. Now select this middle color. I will move it here. Now upload the PNG of page 2 here. Increase the size to fit the page. And then just BG remover. Go to page 2. Go to position, layers, and then select the trap and right click, copy, go to page 3, paste here. And then uncrop this part. And also this one. And then crop it here. Now I will crop it. Select them all. And then select the text, duplicate, flip vertical and then place it here. You can see here. And then send it to back and then go to ads and choose type here Blender and then choose image Blender and then click this button. You can adjust the strength here. Okay. And then click save. I will reduce the transparency about 50 and then go to element and type here shadow. I will choose this one. Reduce the size. I will place it here and rotate a little. Reduce more. And then duplicate, place it here. Duplicate again. Yeah, place it here. Now go to position. Select all these three shadow and place behind the text, between these two texts. Okay. And then I will duplicate this shadow. I will rotate a little and place it there, but reduce this transparency to about 38. And then let's add some effect. Go to element and then type here splatter. Enter. On the graphic, I will choose this one and change the color to a dark color. Maybe this one. Okay, I will place it here. I will duplicate it. Reduce the size. Place here. Duplicate again. And rotate. Rotate. Place it here. Can add more to be placed here. Okay, so this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.